Okay guys, I am outside of a Supreme Buffet in Hibachi. Okay guys, I'll be taking you guys on a Supreme Buffet tour. Okay guys, I'm inside. Let's get some food. There's my plate. Sushi. Salad. Desserts. Okay guys, first I'll be getting some macaroni and cheese. Throwing some black pepper chicken. I forgot they do have like a big selection. Black pepper shrimp. Macaroni and cheese. Let's try out the shrimp. Good. Just a little bit of a salty though. Let's check out this chicken. Chicken is good. Okay, let's try out the crab ragout.
Entonces, ajá, y yo le dije, no, es que yo no tengo arroz rojo. Arroz blanco.
Crab ragout is good too. Surprise.
Y entonces le decía, es que yo no tengo arroz blanco.
Okay, let's try out the chicken skewer. Okay, let's try out this crab meat. Good, it has butter on there. Okay, let's try this teriyaki chicken on a stick.
We run different. I don't need you to realize that real quick.
Okay, let's try out the sushi.
started told me that the plan was to break down
Mm.
the rocket ship. Oh yeah. I was like, no, we built it. We did the thing now. Yes. I think that was Nick.
Okay, let's try out this one.
That's what we're gonna build in every like this, but we did it. You did it. Like all done.
Almost everything is like on the spot. Everything's tastes pretty good. I'm not sure what's this though. Okay, let's try this one. A little bit sweet. Okay, let's try out this one. It's good. Coffee taste to it. A little bit sweet. Okay, let's try out the banana. It's a little bit sweet. It's cold. Okay, let's try out this. I think these are like peanuts. Try it again. A little bit sweet. Okay, let's try out this strawberry cake. The best one here is probably this one for dessert. There's just some coffee taste to it. My bill was $9.49. My drink was $2.29. $12.66. I've never seen like a buffet like this before. There's more. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, subscribe for more of my videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This is Trader's Quest. See you. Okay guys, I am in my car right now. Okay guys, thank you for having a food tour with me.